Yes. Nice. Oh. All right, just packing up my bag, getting ready to go. Heading out with Ollie today. We're gonna do some flow stuff, maybe try out some of this monkey style bollocks that's been going around. Yeah, have a good day. Let's get going. So just unlocked this new little move at the parkour park, grabbing on this and then swinging into a 180, and then what we're trying to do straight into the lache step through, but it's proven to be quite difficult. But I'm close and I'm gonna rip soon, so I want to start filming it. Oh! Oh! You're right.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Don't try the monkey bullshit.
That's so funny. I was just like totally expecting my hand to hit that and it didn't. Yeah. Bullshit. You
improvised run.
I didn't quite get the lache pre, so I was like, all right, let's fucking bounce back and run away because, you know, I'm a monkey now. Oh, mate. Yo. Oi. That looks sick. When in doubt, you just do what's in front of you, right? It's the monkey way that we're all about now. I'm gonna title this video, how not to do monkey style. Yo.
When I came back to 180, I had bent arms.
Yeah.
So when I went to swing again, I just didn't have any power.
Go, 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 go. Hit it. Oh, mate. Yeah, yeah, keep going. You got it. Yes, mate. It's yours. Oh, no. Oh, damn. It's just... Yeah. Yes, yes. I thought you were gonna... Yeah.
I don't side flip that way.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh mate. We're at the next spot. This vlog is so shit, I'm so sorry. It's just like a bunch of crap, like one after another, but I just want to kind of train. Alright, I'm gonna try this line. You!
Jeez, that was so nice.
Bang, bang. Yes, there you go. Cheers, man. A hell of a lot of slip involved. It's okay. I mean, like, look, this is just some grim foot slipping. Wham.
That was well heavy on the ankle, man. Yeah.
Upon closer inspection, the whole line is kind of naff. So I don't know if I'll be carrying on with that. I think the thing is, if these were grippy walls, like, it wouldn't be so wank, but monkey movements part 2.
No, I didn't.
Is it weird, these moves, man? You!
Look, it's
See that? Well. See the climb up tutorial, link below. For me, it was easier to go a little bit lower on the wall. They make it look a lot easier than it is. Whoa!
I knew I should have prepped this first, I don't know why I didn't.
Go on.
No, no!
Oh no, I thought that was it.
I have to do something else because my hand actually came off the edge there.
That was really sketch. My hand like just went. Bleh. Not gonna do it again. It's a lot of impact, but I'd like to clean off the line somehow. So That was quite funny. Guys, it's super important that you subscribe if you haven't already. There's a new video every single Tuesday at 5:30. We'll bring you some amazing cinematic parkour journey. We travel from town to town, meet new people in new places, and we take you along for the ride. We learn how to move in different ways, and we dig into our minds about what is making us scared about different jumps and how we're overcoming that fear. There's also some amazing new tutorials on the channel that people have been really enjoying. So go check those out, but most importantly, subscribe now. If you've just come across this channel, subscribe now. Don't lose it. Stick the bells on. Subscribe now. You won't miss another video. I've just arrived at Dorchester and apparently the guys have already got kicked off the spot. I'm here at 3:30, so I've got like 2 hours to do some stuff. I'm gonna try and make the most of the sesh. There you go, mate. Welcome to Dorchester. Yeah, mate. Send it, send it, send it. Yo! Fucking rapid. That was sick. That was so good. No hesitation.
Yeah, nice.
Go. Oi, big lad.
I can't dyno, so.
I got full fucking foot slip on that. Like, I didn't warm my shoes in properly, so I got a bit of the peel off, you know? That dyno was sketch. Yes, dude. Love that 360 bar. Oh, I'm fucking terrified of that shit. Yeah. Nice. Whee! Oh, yes! Oh, yo! Mate, that's so good. Honestly, to get that nice of a dyno out of this like 360 thing is really, really hard.
Didn't think I'd gone then. I was like, yeah, boy. Boom, let's go. Go.
Oh, no, hang on.
Yeah, no.
Like
Yeah, I do 2 on top and then turn your head before you go and then jump. Boom, that's it, yep.
Bang.
Yeah, you're strong as hell, so the dyno's not an issue.
Yeah, that 360 kind of janks me out because like you can't really see and you've got to like jump and hope you don't smash your shoulder in and turn and grab higher to kind of like a weird under grip.
Yep, let's go. Yes.
Easy.
I told him.
I told him he'd do it, and he did it.
Oh, baby. Well good, mate.
Well good.
Oh, Christ. Overstretching it.
Yeah. Just had a little go at this fucking thing Travis is doing. It's like a full pistol squat right from this bar.
Pistol squat, because in the end you're like here and you're like again anyway.
All right,
just
you go.
slightly bent knee.
Yeah. Trav's really good at making stuff that he does sound really easy. Yes! Oh man. Yeah. Fingertip of right now.
When I did the dyno, the one that I took, it was literally like that. I was like, how am I actually even on it? No. Just like,
yeah, son. I've seen a big Travis on the roof. Fucking. Oh, it's huge. Oh, you get the elbow. It's the introduction to Kieran.
Yeah, I had a really good time at the other spot. Filmed some cool shit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
What, on your phone?
Yeah, my phone.
Oh, we got reels coming at you. Yes, sir.
Oh, flying ninja kick.
Oh. Yeah. Yes, sir. That is a fucking hard cat leap. I wasn't looking at the screen. Apologies for that close up.
When you're standing around ready to do the jump and then you're cooling down because you're standing around for too long.
Oh, that was hilarious. Yeah. This is better than this. This is like really, this is for noobs, right? And this is how you land if you've been practicing for at least 12.
And if you're an expert, you go this. Just fucking grab it
I
out.
haven't even seen that.
Yeah.
So you come to new towns?
Top level shit. And if you hit one of these as well, you go that, and you twist it and you catch it like that.
Put that in a game of stick, your store won't win this.
lovely Trav. This kid. Just down his lines today. I feel like much higher on the wall. The higher you go, the easier it's going to be to get your feet down. You're spinning early because it feels safer because then you can see, but actually it's loads harder because your hips are here when you span. You've got to get your legs up.
Okay.
So I run up as high as I can if I'm doing a wall run. Then you spin, then you've got more time to land on your feet, and I come hands first. So because my hands grab, I feel safe putting my feet on. Does that make sense?
It's a hell of a tutorial. Nice. Yeah, boy.
Yep.
I just pussy out.
Nice, nice, mate. Oh, that was so fucking beautiful. Dude, that was so clean.
Oh, it's working, it's working.
Let's go. Bam, man. Oh, it's kind of sending me a bit far. Born to hand job, baby. Born to hand job, baby. That feels beautiful. But I'm kind of booting the wall a little bit, and I promised myself I'd keep it chill on the knee today. Oh, hey, that was so good. I've just found a really fun, weird little thing. So cool, man.
Oh, that's a curb and everything.
Oh, you hit the curb?
Yeah. What's up? We are in Trowbridge at a meeting. Me and Chelsea thought it's a really awesome excuse to come and do some parkour as well. So we're at a spot called Walls. Slowly warming up, really, really nice day. So as the weather's warming up, we're gonna have some awesome stuff to do. Cold weather equals snot as good movement. Not the best intro ever, but who knows, eh? If I can still walk, I'll try something else. Kind of got the stick. I got my foot to it, but because I'm like pretty much working with not a lot anymore, a little bit of a slip. We've got some new ones come in, but we still need to shoot the video before I start abusing those things. Cool, yeah, chuffed. I'm gonna try something else now. Oh, that's satisfying. I do love doing that jump. Up and up from here, I hope. Getting a bit more confident with those running jumps. I feel like I've been in hibernation for the whole of winter. My body's just slowly waking up.
Cheeky POV.
Oh yeah, found another challenge here I haven't actually done before. Oh shit. Bitch. Oh yeah. I think I'm actually going to POV this. It's starting to hurt my ankle a bit, so I want to be careful not to have a nice long injury that I can't train with. Ah! Ah! Ay, fuck! Yeah, this is literally going to be my last one, I think, because my leg's stopping the work and ankle's hurting a bit more. So yeah, last one, I think. Fuck, really the last one this time. Ah, so annoying. I get one of the really crap one and you're like, I don't think I can do that anymore. And then you do like you do your last one and you're like, oh, you know what? I could have actually really got that if I put a bit more in. You're like, oh yeah, I've got that much in me. And then you never stop. Okay, really, really last one. Promise. Really promise. Last one. Woo! Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Oh. I felt like I had that then. I was on my feet and I'm not dead, so move on. Yeah, high five camera. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm sure Liam's probably mentioned that earlier in the video, but again, as a nice little reminder. Also comment on the videos, because that's really important. It does have a big impact on how easily we pop up on your recommended or all that jazz. But either way, if you'd like to subscribe, press that little bell button, and that gets you, well, you know when new Parkour Journeys episodes is up, but it's every Tuesday at 5:30. Yeah.
Sorry, I had to get used to the stride.
That's fine. I might try
I don't know if I can stride to the top though. Did you go to cat and then up, or did you just go straight to the top?
You had like one leg down, right?
Do you know what I mean?
No, it's making.
So when you watch mine.